Hi, good morning. Good morning. Today is Tuesday. Gagala naman kami. Yan. Kaso lang, nag-iis na sa loob, sa labas. You know? Yan. 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 Nag-iis no. Ang kapal ng snow. Yan. Kapal ng snow. Pero pagdating sa baba, lusaw siya. Pag bagsak sa siminto, lusaw. Flakes kasi. Hindi tulad ng dun sa Canada dati, pag umula ng snow. Dito sa diretso, kapal. Dito, ano. Malalaki magigipis lang sa flakes. Yan. Mula kanina pa to, umuulan. Gagala kami ngayon. Pupunta kami sa DMC. Borderline ng North and South. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Let's go! Okay, dito na kami. Yan. Dito na kami sa area namin. Orion Peninsula Ecological Place Storage Information Center. Yan. Okay. DMC. Yan. Dito na kami sa area namin. Siguro lalakad na
I think you guys are so lucky. If you joined yesterday, it was a hell. It was a hell. It was a hell. And luckily, I didn't work tomorrow or yesterday. I said, lucky day, yes. Of course. Everyone, I'm just saying that, okay, if you leave, if you want to leave your stuff, okay, you can leave it here, okay? Because our bus driver will stay here. You don't have to worry about this, okay? Okay, then it's good, okay, then it's good, okay. Okay, so from now on, we are going to visit the four places in this Imchiga Park, okay? By the way, I want to ask you, is there anyone who really want to go to toilet right now? Okay, actually, my plan is I'm gonna talk about it a little bit, at least 20 minutes. So you cannot stand it, right? You cannot. It's okay, perfect to let me know. It's okay. I'm just asking. Then, what about this? Actually, we are going to start that way. So, if you want to go to the toilet, just go inside and turn right. Inside there's a toilet. And take an escalator. And then come to the second floor and go outside. I'm gonna be there. So I'm gonna be just beyond the dead area. So after it's the toilet, just come to the dead area. Okay? So other people, please follow me. Let's go.
Let's go daw.
Right now,
Ano?
just
Sisir
watch
ka?
out that building over there and right side, okay? After it's the toilet, then on the bus. So if you're a shy person, don't be late. Okay? Promise. No promise, okay? But if you don't want to dance, okay, don't be late, okay, bro. Okay. Forget it. Okay. Actually, you know what? All the places have a souvenir shop. All the places they have a souvenir shop. But people who's working in the first and second place, they don't like it. Why? Because I told the tourists like, don't go to the souvenir shop at the first and second place. Don't go there, wasting your time. This is wasting. Because finally this place is like a photo, like a souvenir shop. So you don't have to waste your time. Because finally we go this area. All the items are the same. This one is the first place we are supposed to. Do you remember Komodo ladies? You know what's the meaning of Komodo ladies? Yeah. I mentioned that in Korea, I mean Joseon Dynasty, we used to be so poor. So we used to be like a colony of Japan for 36 years, from 1910 to 1945. Do you remember? So at the time, actually I mentioned that they were so poor. So many ladies, they look so young, but even though they are so young, but they just went outside and they tried to get a job to support their family members. Yeah. But they didn't know what's going on at the time. Because I said many people, like over 70%, they were illiterate. They couldn't read and write. So they didn't know what's going on. But at the time, at the situation, sort of from the Japanese side, they try to induce them. Like, if you work in here, you can be like a teacher. You can be like a nurse. So will you join this project? So they just follow them. Some people who didn't follow them, they kidnap them. So they have to work as a sexual slave in the military base. So we call them like a competent lady. Yeah. So based on the testimony, it sounds more crazy like this. Hey, you, today, you're going to meet 100 people today. Are you guys following me? You guys know what I'm saying right now? Okay. So she was like, no, I don't want to do this. I didn't know. Yeah, I want to go home. I want to quit. She was killed right in front of other girls as an example. And then he talked to another girl like she's dead. She's gone. So instead of her, now you're going to meet 100 people today. Did they have an option? I don't think so. No options. No internet. No phone at all. So they are also isolated. So they had to work as a sexual slave at the time. But I mentioned that after US they dropped the enemy bomb, the Hiroshima.
Okay. Papasok na kami dito. Inom ng kape mo. Sobrang lamig na yun. -1 dito sa Korea. Nangungurat ng lamig. Dati naranasan ko sa Canada. Nangungurat ang lamig. Ngayon dito naman. Nagtutur kami dito sa DMC. Yan. Sige, sige. Hindi ko bawal mag-picture sa loob. Dito muna sa labas. Yan, papasok muna ko. Yan. Banda doon kabila, north na yan, North Korea. Ito yung tulay na tawiran. Yung mga galing sa kabila, yung panahon ng gera. May train din sila. Karga, yung train na yan, doon kinakarga yung supply nila. Kasi, nung panahon na to, halos dito banda, nasakop na ng mga North Army. Yan. Kaya, ginagamit na nila, yung train na dinana natin kayo na, yun ang karga ng supply nila, mga armas nila. Marami tayong ikotin. Hindi ko masyadong intindihan yung mga kwento Mahirap po intindihan kasi siyempre mga Chinese, mga Korean Sige, ikot tayo ulit. Okay, punta natin itong tangkidigira dito. Yan. Yan kami sa tunnel. Third tunnel na na-discover ng mga South Korea. Sinubukan namin pumasok. No? Pagdating mo sa dulo, may block na siya. May harang na. Pag sinilip mo doon, North Korea na. Yun pala ang ginawa ng ng North Korea dati. 3 tunnel pa lang ang na-discover ng mga South Korea. Marami daw tunnel ang nagawa nila para makapasok dito sa South Korea. Ready for attack yun. Ngayon na-discover nila yung isa, yung 3. Kaya dinevelop nila tapos may harang at bantay sarado. Ito yung armas nila dito. Yan. Yan. Yung tangkidigira nila. At saka napakahigpit ang dito, ang security nila. Pagpasok mo pala dito kasi ito yung danger zone ng Korea at sa North Korea at saka South. May dito, may harang. Pagtawid mo sa harang na yan, sa barbed wire, open space yan. Then pag nakatawid ka doon, halos siguro mga 1 kilometer, pagtawid mo doon, North Korea na. Siguro kung tutusin kung magigira, pag napalipad ng rocket launcher ng Korea, North, abot na dito sa South. Kaso hindi nila pwede, siyempre may mga bantay naman. Guardia sarado yung ng sa Korea, yung bundari nila. Okay, yan. Marami pa kami pupuntahan. Sasamahan kami sa pag-ikot. Kung talagang tingnan namin kung dito sa South Korea. Dito na kami sa galing na kami sa galaan sa bundari ng North, South at North. Nakauwi na kami, nandito na kami ngayon sa Myeongdong, downtown. Dami naman tao. 3:40, nag-uumpisa na sila ng latagan. Okay. Maraming salamat sa inyo pagsama sa amin. Kakatapos na namin kumain. Super lamig pa rin. Although may araw na pero malamig pa rin kasi nag-snow kagabi. Magdamag. Yan. Thank you sa pagsama sa amin, sa aming adventure. Napagod na kami, uwi muna kami. After na kain, yan dami pa rin tao na yun, nag-upisa ng silang latagan. Thank you, maraming salamat sa pagsama nyo. Bye-bye.